Welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy slow and clear English stories that help you relax and improve step by step, you are in the right place. We upload every day to help you build confidence in a calm and simple way. Today, I want to talk about something very real for many English learners. Many people want to improve their English, but they feel alone. They do not have a teacher, they do not have a friend to practice with, they do not live in an English-speaking country. Because of this, they slowly start believing a painful idea. Maybe I cannot do this. But I want you to listen carefully. Learning English alone is not a weakness. It can become your biggest advantage if you use the right system. When you study alone, you have something very powerful. You have control. You control your time, your speed, your repetition, and your environment. You can practice without feeling embarrassed. You can make mistakes without fear. And that freedom is powerful. Instead of thinking, I am alone, try to think, I am in training. When someone trains alone, they focus deeply, they repeat more, they build discipline, and discipline is stronger than motivation. Build your private English world. English will not enter your life by accident. You must invite it into your daily routine. The goal is to make English feel normal, not special. When English feels special, you feel nervous, but when it feels normal, you feel calm. Start with something simple. Change your phone language to English. You already look at your phone many times every day anyway, so now you will see English naturally. Words like settings, battery, storage, notifications, update. These are real-life words. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. That feeling is good. It means your brain is adapting. Next, create a small English space in your room. It does not need to be beautiful, it only needs a notebook and a pen. Write useful daily phrases such as, I'm not sure. Can you repeat that? Or, give me a second. When you see these sentences every day, your brain starts accepting them as normal. One day you will say them automatically. This is how English slowly becomes part of your life. Stop waiting for a partner. Many learners say, I need someone to practice with, but waiting can keep you stuck for years. Instead of waiting, you can train yourself. A speaking partner only gives you 3 things: a chance to speak, a chance to listen, and a little pressure. You can create all 3 by yourself. Every day, speak English out loud for at least 10 minutes, not in your head, out loud. Speaking is physical. Your mouth must practice forming English sounds. If you only think in English, your mouth stays weak. Talk about what you are doing. Describe your day. Share your opinions. For example, you can say, today I felt tired, but I still decided to practice. These simple sentences build fluency. You can also record yourself once a day. When you record your voice, you feel a little pressure. That pressure is good. It trains you to stay focused. After 1 month, when you listen to your old recordings, you will hear improvement, and hearing progress builds confidence. Follow a simple 4-part routine. If you study only when you feel motivated, your progress will be slow. Instead, create a small daily routine that includes 4 parts: speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Speaking trains your mouth. Writing trains your grammar and sentence structure. Listening trains your ears, reading gives you new vocabulary and natural expressions. You do not need many hours. Even 40 to 45 minutes daily is enough if you stay consistent. For writing, keep a small diary. Write about your real day in simple sentences, then correct it. When you rewrite the corrected version, grammar becomes memory. For listening, choose one simple source and stay with it for a few weeks. Repetition builds understanding. Instead of watching many random videos, focus on one style and one voice. For reading, choose short texts and read them out loud slowly. Reading out loud improves pronunciation and confidence at the same time. When you practice all 4 skills daily, your English grows from every side. Use ChatGPT as your daily teacher. If you are learning alone, feedback is very important. You need someone to correct you and explain your mistakes in simple words. You can use ChatGPT as your practice partner. Ask it to correct your sentences and explain your mistakes clearly. Ask it to ask you questions so you can practice speaking. Use role plays like ordering food or doing a job interview. This creates real-life training in a safe environment. The key is consistency. If you practice daily, even for 20 minutes, you will see change. Track your progress. Many learners quit because they feel like nothing is changing, but progress in English is quiet. You may not notice it every day. That is why you should record your voice once a week. Keep the same topic and the same time length. After 1 month, compare your first recording and your newest one. You will hear the difference. Also, track your daily study. Just write speaking done, writing done, listening done, reading done. This simple tracking builds discipline and identity. You stop being someone who wants to learn English. You become someone who practices English every day. Choose consistency over perfection. Perfection says, I will speak when I am ready. Consistency says, I will speak until I am ready. Fluent speakers are not perfect. They make mistakes, but they continue speaking. Fluency is not perfect grammar. Fluency is continuous communication. If you improve just a little every day, after months you will become a different person, not because of one big moment, but because of small daily actions. So if you are learning alone right now, remember this: you are not behind. You are not weak. You are building strength quietly. Speak daily, practice calmly, trust the process. One day, you will look back and realize that the person who struggled alone became the person who speaks with confidence, and that day will feel peaceful.